So articulation points. So it has two articulation points. The first one is lisan, the tongue, and we will explain one by one. Okay. So if you see here, okay. So from the top, from the tip of the top, from the tip of the tongue, and what lies opposite to it. So from the tip of the tongue, and what lies opposite to it. Okay, that's the roof of the mouth, the gum of the two top incisors. Okay, this place, and slightly beneath the articulation point of lam. This is for noon when it is not hidden. So hidden noon has multiple uses. So this is only when noon is clearly pronounced. Then this is the articulation point. Okay, so that's the tip of the tongue, and this is the place on the gums of the top two incisors. So you can see here, that's the tip of the tongue and the gums of the top two incisors. This is when the noon is pronounced clearly. When in other case, when it has ghunna attached to it, then the articulation point is al-khayshum, the nasal passage. Then the sound goes through that as well. It has different multiple uses, but we will have maybe few lessons on it, not one, because it has a lot of uses of noon. There has a lot of rules attached to noon sakina, tanween, etc. This is just the basic. Okay, so the basic is the tip of the tongue and what is opposite to that, the gum of the two top incisors. When it's clear and when it is with ghunna, then the khayshum, the nasal passage, is involved in there as well. Let me explain that with the 3D model. Okay. Okay. So we use the tip of the tongue as the one point, and that's the gum line of the top two incisors. Okay. That's the articulation point when the noon is pronounced clearly, and when it is not clearly, then with ghun and stuff, then you have other makhraj involved in there. Okay, so we can't do that on here 3D diagram, so we have explained that in previous slide.